Hello students, today is our next hematological practical, that is determination of the bleeding time and clotting time, popularly known as BTCT. So first with the definition of bleeding time. What is bleeding time? Bleeding time is the time taken from the puncture of the blood vessel to the stoppage of the bleeding. Moving forward, what are the indications of doing BT? That is the bleeding time. First, to detect defects in primary hemostasis, and second, to detect the screening test for vascular disorders as well as the platelet function test. For doing this BT, there are two methods, that is the Duke's method and the IV's method. The Duke's method we are performing today, and the IV's method is a little complicated one. Duke's method is convenient and easy. The apparatus required for performing the Duke's procedure are pricking needle, cotton, these are the pricking apparatus along with the alcohol, then the filter paper, a watch and a pen. Please note, while performing this experiment in the laboratory, you will have to bring a watch. Mobiles are not allowed. So moving forward is the method of how to perform this Duke's procedure. So taking all the aseptic precautions into consideration, a fresh deep puncture is made on the finger, and then immediately by start looking at the watch, we'll take note of the time. The time of puncture of the finger is referred to as 0 time. After a fresh prick, we can see I have blotted this as a big nice blot of blood. Mark it with the pen as 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, one more blot is kept, that is 60 seconds. More than that, one more blot is kept, that is 90 seconds. Then 120 seconds. And the last one was 150 seconds. So after 150 seconds, there was no further bleeding. How to calculate the bleeding time? Now count how many drops are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after every 5th drop, there was no bleeding. So for calculating, we'll take 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5. This 2.5 will be in minutes. How will you write the result? The result will be written as my bleeding time by Duke's method is 2.5 minutes. One precaution for doing this method is that do not apply any pressure or squeeze the finger in any stage to take out your blood. The normal bleeding time by this method is 2 to 6 minutes. And you have to put this piece of paper in your journal and staple it so that you have a proof that your bleeding time has not been forged.